Hey everybody, welcome to Speedway Motors Tech Talk. I'm Joe, and today we're here with Josh, and he's going to tell us about a new product that we're really excited about. Josh, do you want to tell us about it?
Yeah, so this is a new product for us at Speedway here in 2019. We've had a lot of time developing this one. It is new, but it is just as old school as anything Speedway ever does. Very traditional looking Buick style 45 fin drum, kind of made the right way in my mind, in that it has all of the features that mimic the dimensions of a normal Ford early drum brake, but it has the look of the Buick. We've went ahead and put the right pattern in it, wheel pattern in it for you. It's been back cut with the right offsets and everything to match right up to your normal Ford brakes. So when you go out and buy your old swap meet, kind of beat and banged up mid-50s Buick drums, they take an astronomical amount of machining. It's hard for me to even fathom that those guys were doing that much work to stick just different drums on a car back in the day. So we've kind of taken care of all of those details for you. You put them with a normal self-energizing early Ford brake and they'll slide right on there.
And this isn't just a cover that goes over a drum. This is actually has the ring inside it just like a Buick drum would have had.
Yep, fully functional aluminum outer drum with steel inner liner, and they're cast together. And we went ahead and looked at how Buick mated their iron ring to the aluminum when they cast it with kind of some ribs. So we started there, and then we've actually cut channels in it as well to improve the dissimilar metals and the heat cycling and things like that to make sure it stays together.
You obviously don't want that ring to break loose.
Right. So we haven't seen many failures on the old Buicks over the years, so this is even an improvement over them. So we should be pretty bulletproof, as well as the testing that we've gone through already on them for some fatigue testing. Also, we've had to change some dimensions inside here compared to the Buick. This outside diameter here for the hub is smaller on a Buick. The Buick hub is smaller, so you would have to turn down your early Ford hub on the outside here to be able to fit properly in there, where we've done the work now that these will fit in. We've enlarged this area basically here to make sure we've got plenty of clearance. And then on the other side, we also made the centering register here will center on the Ford hub, where the Buick had a little bit larger diameter there. You're gonna have slop there and have to either make a ring or center off of lugs, which is never a great idea.
And they're lugs that you will already have had to re-drill and hope that you drill them on center.
There's also extra holes in the front here because Buick riveted their hub to the drum. So you end up with kind of a Swiss cheese looking mounting flange for it, where this is gonna be a nice clean design that's set up for the early Ford 5 on 5.5 hub right out of the gate. And we've actually been able to balance them on the internal side. Right down in the bottom here, you can see where we've spun them around and did a balance cut on the inside, because the brake shoe only rides on the outer 2 inches of this 2.5 inch portion here.
These are so cool. I can't wait to try these on one of our projects. Thank you so much for bringing these in, and thanks to all of you for watching.